Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to check search history on Instagram, and all you have to do is to launch the Instagram application, and then from in here you're going to tap on the search. Then from here you're going to tap on your search bar, and in the case that you don't have any search, you're going to delete them from here. In the case that you do not see those search bar, all you have to do is to head on over back, and then you are going to tap on your profile. And then you're going to download the information by tapping on those three lines and then tapping on account center. From there, you're going to tap on your information and permission. And then you're going to tap on download your information. From there, you're going to tap on download your information. And from there, you're going to choose your account that you would like to download information from. And then after you've tapped on next, you're going to tap on some of your information. And from there, you're going to search for recent searches, which is here on logged information. We're going to tap on next. You're going to tap on download to device, and then you're going to tap on create files. You can even choose the git range. And once you've tapped on create files, your information is going to be downloaded, but it may take some time. And once it is finished downloading, you're going to see all your recent searches. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.